Hey, cutie. Hello, little darling. Hello, little darling. You're so cute. Look how cute. Oh, look how sweet. Oh, the little tail is wagging. Yeah. No, Chuck. I'm recording.
Oh.
They're just starting to move around. We get their hind legs, their eyes opened 3-4 days ago.
Oh.
Let's see if I can get those eyeballs. Can you see the little eyeballs? How cute is that? Here comes.
This one's the Wanderer.
Oh,
The adventurer.
this is the one that's got the back legs first.
Oh.
Seems to be the smallest little boy.
It's got an itchy.
Look at the little eyes. Little black nose already. Oh, look at that. How cute is that? Hello. This one also has the silky fur.
Oh.
I wonder if it's gonna take after the Maltese and Daddy.
Maybe be like Juliet. Always nice
And this one's here is a little darker, and he's kind of larger. And look, he's already getting that long fur.
and
This one here, oh my, you're going to be such a handsome fellow. Turn around here. Turn around here, let's see those beautiful eyes. Oh, look at you. Aren't you handsome? Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Let's see you. Let's see that face. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Yeah, are you just standing there? Are you staring? I can only see about as far as this camera is from his face right now. See? Kind of a little scared to see something weird. There's Mama. Hey, Ma. Hey, Ma.
Dig for gold over there, Zoe?
Nah, she does that when she lays down. Making a place for herself.
Fail to see the significance of
I
it.
know. Christabel Magi really does it. He tears it up, man. Christabel does the same thing. It's just a thing they do. Uh-oh, everybody spread around, Ma.